Hello everyone, this is Daniel here. So guys, today I will talk a little bit about the games that I've been developing, mainly, at least for now, I will talk about the Mr. Pudding games. Currently, I'm working on the Mr. Pudding Survival of the Flan, because you have the Flan Pudding, so this is kind of a joke. Mr. Pudding and Survival of the Flan, it will be sort of, I think it's mixed of a hyper casual and casual game, because you will be able to select new characters, playing on new levels. So it's in the mix. I will show you guys a little bit how the game it is at the moment. Not much, because I'm doing this as a part time, but at least for now you have the bombs dropping. The bombs are a little bit scaled up, and with the outline on white, for you guys to check them falling from the sky better and not being confused with the environment. You have some random clouds appearing time to time, and you can collect the coins. As you can see on the top, you have the coin counter, the life counter, and you have a timer. The timer, it's a little bit based on the old version of the Mr. Pudding survival mode, because this is going to show how much time you have played on this level. Of course, it was sort of trying to for you guys to make more of trying to break your own record. For example, I know that on survival mode the bomb drop was way hard, because you had like super hard time escaping from the bombs. So I know that, for example, I was only able to do, I think it was 24 seconds playing the level. So it was a little bit hard. Here it's a little bit easier. The the bomb bomb spawn will be faster after X amount of time, so you are able to catch more coins and to be able to avoid the bombs for a while. And then when the respawn start to decrease and you have more bombs to avoid, it will turn the game a little bit harder. So it's like sort of a progress. You play easy, and then with the time, the bombs will be more frequent, and you have to avoid them. And you can check how much time do you were able to sort of survive in here. Um, at least for now, that's it. Let me just die. And as you can see, you already have that red glow when you are hit with by a bomb, and when you have no lives, it will do the die animation. And we already have this little pop-up where you have the restart, change level, and change player. At least for now, the restart is the only one that is working. So when you play a restart, you start the game again. So at least for now, it's this. I already have some new characters for the game. Let me just close this and open a sprite. Of course, you have here some uh, sorry, some hidden characters, because I don't want to show them all to you. So the future Daniel added this for you guys to see only a few of them, but you got the idea how how they are drawn. Of course, they are drawn them all based on the first Mr. Pudding, and then change a few things, and I think I will draw a few more. I think in total, without the original one, I think we already have 10 new characters for you guys to play. I have to work on the levels as well. Um, because I haven't worked on the levels, I've been worried more about with the gameplay, and I still have to change the joystick on the mobile. I will not use the joystick. I will use two arrows for left and right, and when you press it, you will be able to go to the direction you pressed, because it will be easier. I will not complicate that much, because it will be easier for you to just press two buttons instead of using the joystick to work around. And since we only have right and left, it's okay to have those two arrows. I will add more stuff falling besides the bombs. For example, in other levels, you can have sort of icy spikes falling from above. Um, Probably besides the bombs, I can add. I don't know. I am trying to think on things to make each level a little bit harder. So you will have some spikes. You can have stuff appearing on the ground as well, but I think that's going to be for harder levels, because you will have stuff falling from the sky and you have to worry about the things from the ground. So uh, we'll see. Probably we'll had as well sort of walls closing the gap between each others for you to have more difficult to escape. So still thinking on some stuff for the game. Uh, Besides some of these characters that I'm doing for the survival of the Flan will be used on the Mr. Pudding and the Fork King. They will be probably will be some NPCs, or I will add them as helpers on your adventure. Still thinking on what to do on that one. I think I have to make the bosses a little bit more evil, because my plate boss, um, it's not that evilish. As you guys remembered. If you don't remember, I can show you quickly. That let me just open Godot for that project. But I think I have to make them a little bit evilish, because it, it I know this is sort of a cute kind of game, and I don't want to make them too evil and too different from the other characters. But I don't know. Still a little bit not sure about it. Let me just open here the animation idle, and as you can see, this is the plate boss. As you can see, it doesn't even have that bossy or chief look. um, that's why I'm thinking if I will add other look on the character. The I think the only evilish way is this one, because it's when he's dropping small plates to trying to hit you. I haven't have had done that yet, because the survival of the Flan will be a quicker game to do, and since I'm working on some characters there that I will use here. I'm working more on the survival of the Flan instead of the fork of the king, fork king. Sorry. um, I don't know, guys. You guys can leave some comments regarding the bosses and what you like to see on, at least here on the fork king game. We already have some stuff. I think we already showed that this on the last on one of the previous devlogs. So here, not much to show to you guys. Um, I think the boss is following you now correctly when you walk is trying to hit you, and when he's on your position is doing that weird face. It means that will drop some plates on you, and I need to still add the um, plate minions because I already have drawn them but haven't implemented them. This is the attack. They will spin through to your direction and you have to avoid them by jumping, and you can destroy them by attacking with the caramel spin spike launcher. Yeah, big name. I don't I'm still working on that as well. Yeah, two Mr. Pudding games. This one, the survival of the Flan, is related with the original game that I've done in 2021. The Mr. Pudding survival game that you can find on itch.io, and play it a little bit and try to check what is your best score there. Mine was 25 seconds, so try to beat it. Uh, more regarding this, on the pop-up, as you can see, you have this number of coins that you will be able to use to buy the new characters, and I will add probably here some button to some heads if you want to continue on the same level and continue trying to increase the money. You will have here an head that will give you at least one or two lives. I know I'm not going to put all the lives again, so I think will be one or two lives for you to start, uh, not start to continue on playing on the level with the same difficulty that you were uh, had that you had on the time you died. So still working on that. I will use head mob for that. I'm checking some videos to understand how to implement the head mob here on the game. So be prepared for the next video regarding Godot being about that, because uh, when I learned something, I tried to create the video for you guys for you to understand as well about that. I know there are already a few videos regarding that. Some of them are good, some not. So I will do my own video regarding the implementation of the ads on uh, our games. Um, and I think that's it for today, guys. That's not much of a big video regarding the one from last week. Was 1 hour of and some minutes the video, but was to create a space shooter. If you guys want to have a video regarding some games, for example, creating a platform shooter type game, I will leave the comments. Or if you want to see here some other 2D type of games being create as well, you already know, leave in the comments, and I will try to create a video regarding that. And the vlogs, at least for now, are a little bit more about Mr. Pudding, but I have to work on the Office Apocalypse as well and the Zarka Adventures. They are a little bit on a hiato, so they are a little bit paused at the moment. Um, and that's it, guys. You already know what to do. If you like this content, please subscribe, add comments regarding if you want to see more cool stuff. If you want to learn how to do something on PixelArt, Godot. If you want to see how to create some sort of game from scratch, let those kind of things on the comments. Hit the bell sign for new updates. Subscribe. I already have a Discord, so at least for now, I think I have one person that I've been talking about Godot stuff. So join the Discord, and there you guys have some pixel art challenge daily. And you will be notified when a new video is out, and you have the part where you can check how the progress of the games are regarding the tasks for the games. So join our Discord, and that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you on the next video. So bye bye.